Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got another package from one of my favourite companies, which is Craft Buddy Crystal Art, and it's another new launch, another new set of products that they've brought out, and I just couldn't stop myself, I just had to get them. So let's get into this and have a look. Okay, all right, so I've stocked up on some of the Crystal Art Sealer. As you know, I do use it all the time. Any of my special projects or anything that I'm gifting to somebody, I do like to seal so that I know it's secure and that drills and special drills and things aren't going to start coming off. So that was the bigger one that I got. But this one, because I wanted this product, and over £35 in the UK you do get free postage, I just always just add some sort of staples, really, some basic things, which is like my sealer, and I do need a new one. So I've just stocked up on the sealer. I've got quite a few videos on sealing, so if you check out my playlist you will see those, and that's using just the standard sealer. But they have brought out a new one, and this is the Crystal Art Shimmer Sealer. So this is a sparkly one, and you know how much I like sparkle. So I will be doing a video using the sparkle versus the plain, and we'll see what the difference is once it's dried, see how it goes on. Oh no, it's just a bit of cardboard. Thought we had something a bit strange there, but no, it's just a bit of cardboard, fortunately. Okay, so I will be trying that out, and I'll do a little comparison to see. So watch this space. This is the reason that I bought, that I put this order in. You can also, with Craft Buddy, request one of their wonderful catalogues, and it literally gives you all of their products that are live at the moment. You can check out the website as well. Look at that parrot, that's fantastic. I think these are the painting by numbers. Then they also do the latch hook kits as well. And then these are cards, some of the Disney. Everything is licensed as well. Oops, that's something. These are the Peter Rabbits that I've been getting. Okay, you got a sneak peek there of what I'm going to be unboxing. And that's a new launch of Smurfs that is coming out this week, I believe. There are some standard cards coming out as well, some new Easter cards. And then these are all the other products. You will have seen me unboxing and finishing and doing quite a few of these. There's Anne Stokes. That's my new Christmas one that I've got for this year, which is looking at me out the corner of the room. And there's my owl one that I recently kitted up. That is a light up picture. And then they also do smaller stickers, and they do the Crystal Art stamps. So your leftover crystals, you can buy a stamp that already has all the little like dots, like a Crystal Art canvas, to use up all your spare drills. We've got alphabets and numbers and all sorts. So I have got a few of them. If you want to see any use of those, use of the stamps, using up some of your drills, let me know, and I can have a go at that. This is the wreaths that they've brought out. That's last year's Easter wreath, which I have. I also have the butterfly wreath and the poppy wreath, which I absolutely love. Key rings I've done. They have just brought out some new of the larger boxes. Now these storage boxes from Craft Buddy are actually the full 12 by 12 inch. So they fit completely into a Kallax. If you've got the IKEA Kallax unit, I know a lot of crafters have. So you don't end up with like the gaps at the edges. They do fit in a little bit better. They are that little bit bigger. And just some of these scenes and bits and pieces. They also do cushions with cats and dogs on, which are lovely. The storage cases, the sealers, the magic glue. And then, oh, look at that, coming soon. Oh, sneak peek. Okay, so it's always worth getting the catalogue. I sit and look through it. It's like my wish list already printed out for me. Okay, Okay, so let's have a look at these. It's only a little package, but there's quite a bit in it. Oops. Oh, look, I've missed one. I've got it the wrong way round, Liz. Trust me. Okay, so this one is a card kit. So we have 2 of the little tool kits, which is about 20 grip seal bags. You get your little white pen with the logo in foil on there. I love the purple on the white. I think it's so classy. And the 3 placer, it's the thicker old placers. And you just get your square of wax. So with 2 tool kits and all your gems. And then we have Captain America. Okay. And they give you your key code, which is on a nice separate sheet. And it tells you your DMC numbers. The letters, they're always capital letters. They're always easy to read. And they're mostly clear. I've not really had any trouble with them. And it gives you, as I say, DMC number, and then any special gems are at the end, and they show you the different, and they have different numbers and letters, so you can store them in Craft Buddy order. That's how I do my special drills at the moment. That's how I'm working mine out. This also shows you that they are partial drills, so it shows you the picture, and then it shows you where the actual drill area is, where you actually put your drills and gems. So we have Captain America, not sure who that is, Iron Man, Hulk, Spider-Man, I think that's Thor. Yeah, Thor with his hammer. Is that Wonder Woman? That could be Wonder Woman. I'm not sure. I'll have a look. But yeah, they're all 18 by 18 centimetres, which is, I think, a 7 by 7 inch square. And we will have a look through and see what we've got. This is one of the lovely leaflets telling you how to diamond paint in several different languages. We've got English, French, German and Dutch. So you can learn a new language while you're diamond painting. You've got your contents telling you what's in your kit. So normally when you buy the kits, the cards singly, they come in a single packet with a toolkit with your pack of gems. These, because it's been bought as a set and it is a little bit cheaper to buy them as a set than to buy them singly, then you actually only get the 2 toolkits, and the gems are then all in one packet, rather than all being packaged separately. Okay, step into these. Right, you do need to check out as well that if you buy these, check out the angel policy, the licensing policy on the Craft Buddy terms and conditions, because a lot of these, you can use them for personal use and gift them, but if you say selling at craft fairs and things, as far as I know, you're not allowed to sell these on, but you would need to check that on the Craft Buddy website, so I don't want anybody getting into trouble. But they are fully licensed, so you have no problem buying them and gifting them to anybody. They're wonderful cards. They are a nice, good quality. I would think that's at least a 300 GSM. Sorry, I'm not sure what that is in American pounds. Oh, that looks a bit grubby there, but anyway. You can put an insert in there. You can print a greeting. You could stamp a greeting onto it. You know, you can do all sorts, or just handwrite it if you've got better handwriting than I've got. Nobody can read my writing, so it's pointless me putting anything. Although I could get away with a multitude of sins because nobody can read my writing. I could put anything, couldn't I? Anyway, so the 6 card set that we have is a Captain America. We have a Thor with his mighty hammer. Oh, I like the Spider-Man. That's fab. I like Spider-Man. I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to sing. We've got Hulk. We've got Iron Man. And yeah, I don't know, is that Wonder Woman? It is a female, it's definitely a lady, with a Mohican, so I'm not sure. You'll have to tell me because I'm not up to date on my Marvel at the moment. And then you do get your lovely envelopes as well, and again, they're good quality. You know, it's not going to be falling apart if you're sending them through the post, and also you're not going to be seeing it through the envelope. But one little tip, once you've diamond painted your card, if you are sending it through the post, just turn it inside out and put it in your envelope that way. Then it just protects all the drills that are on the card. So if it's going through a stamping machine, or if somebody catches the front of it, it's only going to be the inside of the card that they're touching. The actual outside with your design on isn't going to get affected at all. And it's just something, oops, just something I've always done. I say I used to do 3D decoupage cards, which is where they're all layered up. And I found that they always went through the post a lot easier and arrived in a better condition if I turned them inside out. So again, you are your licensing, and you've got your full license on the back there, Marvel Avengers. And there is a code on the back of each card, and that relates to whichever drills you are using. Each little packet has a code on it. Yeah, I thought that must be the right one. And it shows you there, that code there matches up to that code there. All of these packs of drills are card specific. Yes, card specific. It sounds funny saying that, oh dear. Yeah, I thought that was the right one because this has got lots of little stars in it, look. And I can see that this lady has lots of stars going around her. So yeah, if this one says letter A, for this card won't necessarily be letter A for that card. These gems just do belong with this card. Okay, so that's that one. I say I'm not going to open them all. I think you can see the resin gems, so they are the better quality gems. This one has your specials, which are your stars, and we have some nice like they look like ambery colour and pinky colour of your crystals there. Again, your key code is here, so you can either cut your little key code off and just do them one at a time if you do use these, or to be honest, I tend to just use it from the packets and go with whatever is on the card. I don't particularly use these other than for kitting down. Yeah, so this will just be so that when I want to put all my drills away, I can just use my little key codes and use the codes of those. Okay, so that's that lady. As I say, you'll have to let me know what her name is because I don't know. Oh, how bad of me is that? And I'm a grandma as well. She must be a new one. I don't remember her being in Marvel Comics when my brother used to get them. The Hulk, and I presume that's going to be Hulk. That 03? Yeah, that's 03. It was all the greens that were the giveaway, look. And yeah, that's just mainly all resin gems there. His face isn't diamond painted, which is good because it's such a small face. It would probably look wrong with drills on. You would lose any features. So we're just having the 3D gems of his body and his legs and everything popping out there. As you can see, none of the background is diamond painted, but they're great, these, if you want to put them in little frames. You know, if you've got a little boy or a little girl that likes Marvel, and you're wanting to put some little pictures up, then you could put a set of these pictures on a wall, either in a 4 or a 5 or even the 6 in a row, or you know, a bit artistic, you know, if you're good at doing home interiors, as it were. Okay, so that's those gems. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Spider-Man looking down there, down onto the front there. Oh gosh, that's a long way down. And he's stuck on a window. And I don't know whether we'll get the right one of this because there's probably going to be reds in this one. Is that number 5? 905. Yeah, it is. So again, that's all your drills and crystals in that one. I think, is there a crystal in that one? Yeah, there's just one crystal, I think, in red in that one. So that's Spider-Man. Okay, and Iron Man. I do like Robert Downey Jr., I have to admit. I did like the films with him in. So we've got 904 on that one. Oh, 904. Maybe I should go and do the lottery this week. Okay, so we've got some larger gems. Looks like it's going to be his front. I think that's his heart, is it, or something? He has something strange, doesn't he, Iron Man? And then we've got some like grey coloured gems that are sparkly there as well. Okay, so that's Iron Man. So we just have Captain America and Thor. Okay, so 906. Is this the right one? No, we got one wrong. Never mind. So that's 906. Okay, and that's Thor with the hammer. And look, I like this because as he's bashing his hammer down there, you've got like all the lightning bolts coming out of the picture. That is superb. So they do tend to be a higher price bracket, Craft Buddy cards, but you are paying for what you get. They are a really good quality card. Do the waft test, look. That's not going anywhere. That's not going to blow off when somebody opens the door. You know, you've got a really nice quality card. And as I say, what I tend to do with these quite often is because these are a 7" by 7". If you get an 8" by 8" square card, you can put the person's happy birthday or name or you are 5 today or whatever. And then the card just sits on the front of the other card. So then when they've finished with the card, they can take this off and use it and frame it. So just an idea. I mean, you can put the name or whatever on this as well, but I tend to put the greetings or whatever around the edge. So you've got the option to use it just as a picture. You might not want happy birthday stuck on a picture on you, or, you know, just a little extra there. So that is my new purchase. They have got all the different pictures and everything as well, and I think there is a notebook, and they do quite a few different sets. But I just wanted the cards because I have a few little boys in my life, a few big boys as well that might like these, and possibly a young lady that may like these. So yeah, they're fairly generic. I mean, you can use them just for a hello. You don't have to use them for birthdays. Could use it as an Easter card. You know, they're just a general greeting card, really. Okay, so that is those shown. As I say, I've also shown you my sealers, and I will be using this one possibly on the card, possibly not. I think I will be better testing it maybe on a canvas, and we'll see where we are. Maybe one of my special drill projects, we'll have to see. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up, it's always much appreciated. If you've got any comments, pop them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.